Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to install applications on your XIAOMI A Pro TV. To install an app on your TV, make sure it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Go to Quick Settings by pressing the gear button on your remote control. Check your Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected. Then return to the home screen and on the toolbar at the top select Apps. Select either one of the applications selected by categories here. For example, this one, or you can also use the search bar to search for applications using the virtual keyboard or your built-in microphone in the remote control. To install an application, just select Install and wait until it is downloaded and installed on your TV. After that, it will be automatically added to your home screen. Let's wait until the application is installed. We can already leave this menu and just go to our home screen. In a moment, if we check your apps menu, we'll be able to find the newly installed app in here. Here is our application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel. Leave us a like in the comment below and I'll see you in the next one.